Now here's the showing of the Makartt ones, and it looks like one leaked. So that's strike out for Beetles and Makartt, because I just did a video showing you the colors for Beetles, and they had 2 leaking polishes in their kit, which is a bummer, but it is what it is. It happens, I guess, but it shouldn't happen. Anyway, I'm gonna go to the second row because I swatched this color right here. I believe it was this color, and it's a jelly. Oops, I just bumped the thing. Where is my little swatch thingy? Okay, here it goes. Oh shit, knocking down shit. Yeah, I believe this is the jelly one. No, that can't be that one. I picked the wrong one. This is not the same color. Yeah, that's not the same color. This is a jelly. I gotta find where I got that jelly at. But now you saw that color. That was in the second row. But I know I got this one that I swatched from the second row. So maybe it's this one. Maybe this one right here or this one. I gotta figure out which one it is. So give me a second. No, that's a purple. It's gotta be the second one next to it. The jelly. And of course, just like Beetles, Makartt has the top coat and base coat. But Beetles, I gotta admit, Beetles had a matte coat, top coat, and base coat. Makartt only has top coat and base coat. That's it. So Beetles won on that one because they had all 3. They had base coat, top coat, and matte top coat. For the Makartt kit here, it's only top coat and base coat. So just to let you know. No, that's not it either. But you get to see that color too. I'm trying to find the jelly. I thought that was the jelly one. Oh my gosh. All this is going dry. Because you can see this is a jelly. I just overcoated it to make it look more thicker. So I'm trying to figure out which one that was. Sorry, my equipment's all bouncing around. Man, that's gonna frustrate me. Okay, I'm just gonna start out with the top row and show you all the colors. And then eventually we'll get to the jelly one, I guess. This is a baby blue, light baby blue color. And the one next to it is a similar baby blue that's darker. So let's take that one out. Very pretty. Very pretty. Bumping into my device. Alright, and this is another blue. Very pretty. Trying to make this quick because the other one's really long. So another blue. Looks similar to the one I just showed you. The lighting's not picking up these colors very well, obviously. This is like an aqua turquoise color. Aqua turquoise, along those lines. This is a green, but I think this is the one that leaked. It's got blue mixed into it, you can tell from when it leaked, and I cleaned it up. It's like a bluish turquoise green. It's not showing the right color on here. I don't know why. It's like a green turquoise, so the lighting is making it look like another color. Let me take it back to regular. Oh, my hair's getting caught in shit. I'm just having fun time right now. Okay. Hold on a second. It's not showing the color right. Okay, there you go. No, it's still not showing the color right. It's a green. It's a greenish turquoise, and it's not showing it right on here on the real color on this video. So don't know what to tell y'all. Let me see what kit this is. It's the 24 gel pack with base coat and top coat. And this is available on Amazon. Pretty red. That kind of shows up the way it's supposed to, so that's good. The other one wasn't really picking the greenish out of that color, the previous one, so. This looks like a purplish. Yep, that's a purple. Here's the next color. The one I pulled out earlier, thinking this is the jelly. It might be the jelly, because it might look thicker on the brush. It might not look jelly on the brush, so it might be the jelly that's to this, but it doesn't look like it. But it could be. So when I'm thinking that this is probably the jelly one. It just looks darker and color on the brush than it does applying on the nail. So keep that in mind with this kit, that some of them might not be full color, some of them might be jellies. This looks like a cream finish, so this looks like a solid color here. And it looks like some of the chalk on the outside, which I don't get how that happened. Okay. That's a brownish, peachy brownish color, light brown. Pretty. Next one. That's really nice. And there's a lot of these, and they're hard to get out of the package too. I'm trying to do this as fast as I can, people. Here's this one. Real nice. These are nice colors. They're all nice colors. It's just sad that one leaked. That's really pretty. Use that. The colors I just showed, the second row, you can use a lot of those colors for a lot of nail designs. Ugh. Yep. And actually this has more colors than the Beetles one. This is 24, the Beetles one was 20, but at least they had the matte coat for Beetles. This is only top and base for this one. But it still works because you get more colors out of Makartt's kit that's sold on Amazon than you do with the Beetles. You get 20 colors for Beetles and 24 for Makartt. So it's a pretty good deal. And you get a lot of like colors that you would need, you know what I mean? In the Makartt one, but the Beetles one had a perfect peachy color one in there, so they're both good, just in different ways. Gray, which everybody needs grays. That's a light gray. This one's gonna be a darker gray probably. Yep. Yeah, darker gray. And the other one's like medium dark gray, so this one's probably gonna be a little bit lighter than the previous one before the dark one. Here's another gray, I believe. Yep. So they got all the colors. This kit has all the purple. It's purple. It didn't look like that on this little window thing. And this is probably black, but I'm not sure. But it looks like black to me. Yep, it's a black. And then you got top coat and base coat after that, which you probably don't want to see, but I'll show you the bottles and the kit. Base, top coat. All right, y'all. Well, have a good rest of your week. Peace out.